Dear friends, I am Mr. Raman, working as a sales manager in a pharmaceutical company for a lasting experience of more than 40 years associated with pharmaceutical industry. Today I would like to share a few points for the benefit of the medical representatives who are starting their career new or people who are already associated with this noble profession for last many years. The first and foremost thing is that the job profile of a medical representative should be understood first before they enter into this profession. Number one point, the role and responsibilities of a medical representatives might have been known to few people who are already in the pharmaceutical sector. But for the benefit of persons who are newly recruited or who has joined this profession, let me brief you in detail about the roles and responsibilities. First of all, the role of a medical representative is to achieve the designed target which is set by the management. For doing that work, management will provide you with a lot of promotional materials to enable you to competitively fight in the market. Promotional materials means like visual aid binder, then samples for promotion, sometimes gift from the company side to be given to the respective doctors in your respective headquarters, plus some product bonus offers will be there to fight against the competition which is prevailing today in this market. So all these promotional materials from the management side will be given to the medical representative who is going to carry out his day and day work in the field to fight against the competition. So the basic responsibilities are, as I rightly told you before, to achieve the designed target unit wise, product wise. So for making this, we need to first look into our doctor list, bifurcate that list into product wise based on proper RCPA. Some people may ask, what is RCPA? Retail Chemist Prescription Audit. Before you enter the doctor chamber, you should have the profile of the concerned doctors. What is his prescription habit? How much prescriptions per day he is going to give, which will add up substantial business volume. So for this we need a solid database. So after taking out the RCPA, we need to approach the doctors to promote the right product to the right doctors. Then the role becomes easy for you to achieve the designed target set from the company side. Of course, your managers are there to help you in this endeavor to make sure you complete your budget within the stipulated time framework. Another responsibility of the medical representative is to bring the revenue back to the company, which is most important and most vital, because without revenue generation, the sales will not be complete. As you all know, any business transaction should yield revenue back to the company. So number 3 of the role is, if you achieve that designed target, you will be definitely eligible for earning handsome incentives from the management side, which will keep you motivating day by day, do a better job in the field month after month. Another basic role is a medical representative should know the basics of MS Word or PowerPoint presentation or Excel sheet formats. Qualities rather you need to have as a medical representative. The first one is communication skill. Second one is the time management skill. Third one is adaptability and flexibility. Fourth one is awareness of the product developments in the market. Because in the market every day something new is happening. Doctors' pen habit may change. Based on the RCPA which was taken earlier, we are under the impression the doctor will write the same composition of the brand. But we come to know after a cross check with the RCPA with retail chemist, the pen habit has slightly changed. We are slightly surprised because our groundwork is not perfectly done. So updating of the RCPA is very vital to our success. So these are the basic 5 qualities a medical representative is supposed to have. The another foremost thing a medical representative should keep in his mind is that am I a profit center to the organization? Because any organization would not just like open any headquarter. They open an headquarter based on certain guidelines. Like if a person is working for us in that particular headquarter, what is his sales achievement in that particular headquarter? Is he a profit center to the organization by achieving the benchmark which is set by the company? I mean benchmark is the stipulated target designed from the management to the marketing people. Every headquarter is a potential headquarter. Otherwise, companies will not launch in those headquarters. So we need to keep this in mind as a medical representative. Am I a profit center to the organization? Am I doing my job correctly? Am I carrying out the guidelines given by the company in my day-to-day work in the field? Am I following the company's policies and principles? Am I also cooperating with my senior managers, following their guidelines also while working in field? Another most important quality a medical representative should have is that he is solely responsible for any new product which is being brought out from the company side. A product success depends on various factors like what is the potential of that brand in the market that the representative will come to know through the proper RCPA. Once RCPA is made out, the particular medical representative who is working in that particular headquarter will come to know the potential of that new product which is going to be launched in his respective headquarter. After all, we say a new product is like a newborn baby in the family. Suppose a new child is born in the family, the entire family gets happiness and a lot of time will be devoted to the newborn child to develop it further. Like the same way, any new product which is launched by the company or rather which is launched by the medical representative in that headquarter should be given utmost importance, because whenever a medical representative is aspiring for a career growth, the management will see the development of the new products which is launched in particular headquarters of that representative. Because why I emphasis on this is major products which are already moving in the market with reputations of carrying mega brands. Somebody must have worked very hard towards that brand building many years before. So people may not or cannot take the credit for the hard work done by the previous persons in establishing those old brands. So what is best available to the medical representative is the new product which is launched from the company side. So if you take this into the heart and do proper RCPA, and based on the RCPA select good potential doctors for this new product, and with effective communication skills you can promote this product in the market to register this brand firmly in the minds of the doctors to get his valuable prescriptions. First, as a medical representative, while launching a new product, a representative should feel confident, yes, I know this product very well, this is my baby and I am going to nurture it in coming months. So take that product as a personal challenge and do the job in the effective way by taking the guidance also from your managers and launch the product successfully, and nothing tastes like success. Let me tell you very honestly, I have built many brands in my career spanning over 40 years. So our future, or rather your future career or promotion depends on the new product development which I told you before. Hence, launching of new products in any headquarters becomes a paramount importance. So colleagues, while going for a massive launch of new product, keep all these simple basics in mind. Many a times the points which I am sharing, you all know it. It is not something new I am telling you. These are all known fact and trusted facts for more than 100 years in pharmaceutical industry. But we all think that we know everything. But ultimately, at the end of the day, the improper implementation of the strategies or guidelines and the lack of awareness from our end, we fail miserably in launching a new product. The success of a medical representative depends upon the new product which is going to launch in the market. So pay full attention to it, make out a successful plan to launch this new product in your respective markets. As I told you, the revenue generation is of utmost importance to the management, because sales will become incomplete without proper revenue. So we need to look into it, that aspect, and work very hard in the market and bring revenue back to the company, so that company also takes care of the employees very well. We all should in pharmaceutical industry work like a team. Why I say these things? It is a teamwork in pharmaceutical which brings success. You may ask, what is a team? Team is nothing but together everybody accomplish more. That is a team. You also belong to a team of 5 people or 6 people reporting to your respective area managers. So your team success is your area manager's success, and in turn the area manager's success will be the stated, or we call it as regional manager success. The regional manager success as a state will put the state in a profit zone, which will be a zonal manager success. If zonal manager as a zone succeed, the company as a whole in that particular zone will succeed. So it is a chain of network. If somebody thinks, if I am not achieving my target, so what? That negative feeling will spoil not only that particular representative in that particular headquarters, it also spoils the other persons in the team. Like one person, like all persons think in the same way, the company will incur a huge loss in that particular headquarter or the concerned area manager's headquarters. So we all should keep in mind, we work like a team and deliver the results to the organization. Of course, organization is nothing but people. People are the strength of the organization. If your headquarter is going to be one of the strength of the organization, you will become one of the asset to the organization, because organization will closely monitor your performance on a month to month basis. As a medical representative, you should show growth to the organization. Am I done my job better than last month? This should be the constant question one should ask to oneself. I have done last month this much, am I crossed that this month? If you are crossing, then it is fine. If you are going on the reverse side, that means you are going some minus against last month's sale, it is a cause for concern. You need to have a retrospective method and arrest the downtrend immediately, because your volume of business comes through brands. If brands promotion is taken care nicely, then that brand will show growth to the organization. Month after month, growth will instill lot of confidence to the organization, which will think after a few months or years, yes, this person is the profit center to us. So if at all any promotional we are planning, the company may think and company may decide that you are the right person for the right job by giving you internal promotions, which will enhance your career opportunities, which will enhance your revenues of your salary by way of a hike in salary. So keep in mind this, friends. Hard working is not so important in today's competitive field, but certainly smart working is very important, so that we can become success and we can all taste success at the end of the day. Dear friends, I am wishing you all the best and want to hear more and more success stories from your end with lots of sales opportunities and happy selling. Dear friends, if I can do it, you can also do it.